I'm going to show you how to do this particular assignment, and it's going to be kind of like a preparation for your project. So consider this like a tiny mini project. And we're going to use basically this grid, and we're going to draw this flower and shade it in and make it bigger by kind of transferring it to this bigger grid. So basically, you match the drawings and the lines and the shading from box to box. I recommend starting with the drawing first. So, go to box 1A, and here's 1A. And basically, you match what you see in that. And that one's probably the easiest box because there's like one little line and you match it. Basically, take a look at how the different lines interact with the boxes, and then and how they interact with each other, and you just follow what you see. So I'm going to go down to A2 and continue that line that I was making from A1 into A2, and I follow it, and then I'm following the direction of the line, and I notice the line kind of leaves the party or the box over here. And I can keep going with that if I want and move on to another box, or I'll just finish this one out first. So there's another line, kind of curls up. Okay, and as you keep going and going, um, the rows will come more and more together, and it'll all become one cohesive drawing. And basically, you're just matching the drawing here into here, and the boxes help make it easier. The grid really, it's a very useful tool that artists use all the time to draw something correctly. Now, I want you to be aware of something. Okay, this is a small grid, and we're transferring it to this larger big. So the drawing of the rows is going to look basically twice as big when you draw it here. Now, this is a mistake I've seen students make in the past. For example, this little leaf, they go, okay, cool, this leaf, I can do this. I can copy that, that's fine. First of all, their brain takes over, that's one thing. But you'll notice that the leaf right here pretty much matches exactly this leaf right here. It's the same size and everything. But if you really look at how much this leaf takes up space in the whole box, this one is not taking up as much space. It has to get bigger. We go from a smaller grid to a bigger one. So this leaf needs to take up more space. So pay attention to the positive space and the negative space. Like, the positive space is the leaf that we're looking at, and then the negative space is all the air around it. And right now, this leaf in here is taking up a little bit of positive space, and there's still so much negative space compared to this one. So we could tell something went a little wrong. So you really have to just follow the lines that you're seeing. Okay, I see the edge of the rose of the leaf. It interacts with a box right there, and then it kind of comes down, kind of curvy. There's the little bit of the stem right here. That should help me draw this a little bit more accurately. Kind of curves down. There we go. That seems to match it better. See how the negative space matches a little bit better? The actual positive space of the leaf matches a little bit better. It seems like it fills up the box a little bit more, just like you see here. That's how you do it. So you just keep on drawing everything in. And once the line drawing is done, then you can go back and actually look at the values that you're seeing and match the shading that you're seeing. So like, for example, in this part of the rose on the stem, it's really dark and then it gets a little lighter. Okay, the leaf right here is darker and then light. It has a big highlight right there. Notice sometimes there's like little gradients in here, so try and match that. You can go ahead and use your pencil and your ebony pencil. You don't really need the blending stump all that much, but if you'd like to use it, you can. But really, it's about the pressure of your pencils as usual. So just pay really good attention to the pressure of your pencils. Good luck.